20 million visitors a year to Venice, and soon those tourists could be forced to pay to go in. Phil LaBelle reports.
There's no doubt Venice is pretty. No doubt it can be pricey too, unless you do it on a budget. Good for the visitors who come for the day. Bad for businesses, though, who are not happy with the day trippers.
It's become impossible to walk around anywhere. These people eat, sleep, they urinate in the street everywhere. You shouldn't be allowed into Venice without knowing the rules, to stay here even just for one day.
The answer? Charge day visitors for entry. Pay as you come, not pay as you go. $40 a day. Controversial? Yeah. Enforceable? Maybe. It's only an idea suggested by a minister, but it is a hit with Venetians.
Part of the issue here is upkeep. You see, this ancient city is full of crumbling buildings. Buildings the tourists come to see, but buildings which cost a small fortune to fix or even maintain. And Venice is short of cash right now. This place is engulfed in a massive corruption scandal. Money has allegedly gone missing. It seems that when it comes to that issue of finding those all-important funds, it's the visitors who will end up paying that price.
Ticket to visit Venice can control the number of visitors, but creates problems if we consider Venice as a city. So we need to have a live city and not to risk to have a Disneyland for Venice.
Venice already has a charge for tourists. That came in 3 years ago, around $8 a night for those who stay over. The authorities prefer the words cultural donation to tax. Question is yet another charge a step too far?
I think it's too much.
I won't come back. That will be my last visit then.
I think it's not possible. Because it's not physically possible to stop tourists from coming in.
We couldn't get anybody to talk to us at the mayor's office. The corruption scandal means no politicians appear to be around, especially when TV cameras are nearby. As for Venice, this place has long been nicknamed a theme park for adults. And just like one, those visitors may soon have to pay for the ride. Phil LaBelle, AlJazeera, Venice.